can unload the dishwasher while I film.
While you what?
Film. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
With special guest host,
Babe.
Babe. Today, I have something special in mind for you, babe.
For me.
Yeah. So, it's Sunday. It's No Shave Sunday. Isn't that right, babe?
Yeah.
And we're gonna do some, look, there's a pile of dirty clothes in the back to go to the dry cleaners. This is a super professional video. Dun, 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 dun. We are gonna do a little meal prep and did some research on YouTube University. I'm doing a hybrid from some of the things I found online to what I think I'm gonna like during the week. And we are going to do a stuffed bell pepper. It's supposed to be with ground turkey. I used some different type of meat. I'm gonna go over all the ingredients so that I can bring a pepper to work and have one for lunch each day, I hope. That's the plan. So let me go over some of the things that you need. This is gonna be semi-healthy, but yet tasty. The problem that I have with stuffed bell peppers, and I've made them before, I've never made them in the cast iron, however, that they're bland, especially if you put ground turkey in them. And they're pretty healthy, but I wanna make it sexy. This is gonna be exciting, babe. So this is what you need. Let's go over what we need. 4 peppers. Look at that, organic. Nice. Cilantro. Why can I not talk? Mexican cheese blend. I went ahead and got 1 pound of 90% lean ground sirloin. There you go. $7 for 1 pound. We're gonna do a little bit of rice. We could do cauliflower, but we're gonna work out really hard this week. So we're gonna do a little bit of rice. And these are some of the things I'm gonna put in here. Sea salt, that's pink, coarse, Himalayan. Of course, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, ground cumin, some smoked paprika, and of course our onion. We might even throw in some garlic. So yeah, those are the ingredients needed to start my trusty cast iron. Look, I got this little thing so that I don't burn my hands like I do every single time. So we already put in 2 cups of rice in the rice cooker. This rice cooker takes, I don't know, what does it take, babe? 20 minutes, 30 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes and we'll have the rice that we're gonna mix in with the meat and everything like that. So let's get to work. What are those? Oh, trusty assistant, Babe, lengthwise. Yes. We're gonna cut each pepper in half lengthwise. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hollow them out. And that's gonna be our little pepper boat for the concoction that we're gonna make and fill before we put it in the oven in the cast iron. I spent the extra 20 or 30 cents or however much it was probably more than that, to buy organic peppers.
Yes.
What do you think about that?
So the rule of thumb with organic is if it has a skin, you're going to peel off. It can't be penetrated with those pesky pesticides.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to buy organic.
Oh.
So like bananas don't need to be organic, oranges don't need to be organic. But if it's something that you're gonna be eating, like a bell pepper or broccoli, a lot of vegetables that you're gonna be eating this actual skin, then you should buy it organic. And you also have to see where it comes from, because just because it says organic does not make it organic like you're thinking from an organic local farm or something like that. So when it comes from the large grocery store, you still have to see where it's coming from.
So there you go. That's insight with Babe.
Good. So also, Babe, the bell peppers with the most nutrients are gonna be your orange, your yellow, your red. I believe orange and yellow being the highest, green and red being the least, but green is the least high in nutrients.
So buy orange and yellow peppers. Per Babe. You heard it here first. Okay, Babe finished cutting the peppers. So, Babe, we need to preheat our oven, 350 degrees.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
350 degrees. Oh, there you go. It just starts just like that. You have your food processor out. What?
I have my onion cutting tool.
What? Hey, Ray Charles.
Yes.
Ray Charles. So this is how Babe cuts onions.
Yeah.
So, have an onion in the food processor. We're gonna chop it up because we're gonna introduce that onion with our meat, which again, you can use ground turkey. It's healthier. I used ground sirloin, 90% fat free.
Ready?
Ready. Garlic, because, yeah, Yeah, just a couple. Babe and I just had an idea. Since we like to make it spicy meatball. What is that, babe?
A jalapeno.
Yes, perfect. Yeah. Okay, our pan is hot, so that's our garlic and our onion. We're gonna do a little saute. See, I can get much better angles for this crazy cooking when Babe's here.
Yeah, babe.
All right, so it's been about 2 minutes and the garlic and the onion are smelling pretty delish. So now Babe is gonna introduce the ground sirloin beef and we're gonna brown it for, I don't know, what do you think, like 7 minutes, Babe?
Yeah, sounds good.
We gotta chop it all up. How's it going, babe?
Oh, it's going. It smells delicious. This is gonna be really yummy. I'm not like a huge fan of stuffed bell peppers, but I think this recipe is gonna be delicious.
About 1/3 of a cup is what we're gonna need. But then we're gonna take the extra and garnish it at the very, very end to make the picture look sexy.
You're sexy.
You're sexy. And now everybody's watching going, that's 2 cups of rice. And again, you could use brown rice. That would probably be a little bit healthier, but or cauliflower, that would be really healthier. We just happen to have white rice here, so we made it in the rice cooker, and we're introducing 2 cups of the rice. Now, 1/3 of cup of this cilantro. So that's 1/3 cup of fresh cut cilantro. Next, we're gonna add some spice. That's a little bit of jalapeno, fresh cut jalapeno. Ground cumin, about 1 tablespoon. We're still on low heat, Babe's still mixing. Next one, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. But I'm a little bit skeptical because we put fresh garlic in also.
Okay, you can never have too much garlic.
So next, chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Last but not least, smoked paprika. That's a little bit, like a pinch. Like, I'm even scared to use that much. That is our mix, basically. So we're gonna take that and we need to put it inside a bowl. And then we're going to go to step, what number are we on? We're on
94.
step something. Step 94, coming up next. Babe's giving me a little sampler. Pretty good.
A lot of flavors.
Add a little cheese and some more cilantro after this is all done. It'll be better. A lot of flavors though. Really not too spicy. All right, on to step number 92.5. All right, so we have our cut peppers, as you can see, and we're gonna put these in the cast iron, and then Babe is going to fill them up with our delicious concoction that we made.
Here we go.
Stuff them good, Babe.
Oh, stuff.
Stuff that pepper. It's oven time, people. 350, 25 minutes. Good job, babe.
Here we go.
So if you made it to this point in the video, thank you very much. Babe says thank you.
Thank you for watching us.
Thank you for watching. We're just having fun and goofing off. So let's see how the final product comes out. Again, if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. And hit the little like button, leave a comment like, hey Josh, you're silly.
Hi, babe. What's your real name?
Nobody knows. Okay, it's been 25 minutes, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, this looks so good.
So now we're gonna put some cheese and put it back in the oven for a couple minutes to melt the cheese. There it is, out of the oven, cheese melted. I put some fresh cilantro on, and there you go. Enjoy, it's gonna be awesome. Scroll the final portrait picture.
That's a big spoon.
Yeah, it's really good. Turned out awesome.